friends, welcome back to another video. In today's video, let's see how to make a Diwali card which was made by our friend Richa. But before starting with the video, I wanted to ask, are there no one else? I'm getting only Richa's videos. Are there no one else who makes videos? Or who makes such DIY cards or gifts? Yeah, some people might have their own channel, that is okay. But are there no one who has the talent but they don't have time or facilities to upload your videos, make your own channel? You can send me your videos. Come on guys, buck up, show your talent, don't waste it. So with saying this, let's begin with the video. Hello again. So this was a card made by our friend Richa, and I think it's pretty simple and cute. You can also make it at the last moment if you don't have time. And as I said before, if you'll have any ideas, if you're making any card or anything, make a video of it and send it to me. I will upload it in my channel with your name in the title. And yeah, you can contact me to FB, to Instagram, or also to Discord. If you join it, it will be better. Discord is the better option. If you can't any of these, you can also mail me. You can talk to me there. So do try. If you all have that talent, please show it, don't hide it. So let's end the video. Bye.
If you like the video, please do hit on the like button below, and also please do share it with your friends and family. If you all are new to the channel, please do subscribe by clicking on the red subscribe button below, and also click on the bell icon so that you get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you. See you in the next video.